Hi, I'm Luke Gilmore. I'm a marketing major and I'm graduating in 2025. Throughout my time here, I've planned cars and coffee events, I've networked with some really amazing people, and I've gained some really great social media management skills. One of the most special things about MAAP is that you get real-world experience in the automotive industry. With a lot of automotive jobs where you work with high-end cars, usually you need at least a few years of experience and you gotta know what you're doing. And MAAP is special because you come in as a college student and you don't really have much experience, and MAAP just kind of accepts you with open arms and you get to learn so much about Porsches and how the whole industry works.
Hi, I'm Jack Sellers. I'm an integrated science and technology major and I graduate in 2025. What I've loved most about MAAP is the opportunity to take the skills that I've started to learn in the classroom, which are 3D printing and computer-aided design, and apply them in real-world scenarios, such as making parts for some of the greatest Porsches that have ever been made. I never dreamed that I'd be able to have this kind of practical experience in an internship as an undergrad. Not only just an internship, but in an internship revolving around cars, which is something I've loved for many years.
I'm Kyle McCluskey. I'm the industrial design major around here, and I'll be graduating in 2026. The coolest thing about MAAP to me is how I was just thrown in the deep end, which is obviously intimidating in some ways, but I'm given jobs here that I would never get elsewhere. They're tasks that would be handed off to people far more experienced than me, but here I get to show what I can do on some really impactful, big projects that are sort of dream material, but they're brought into reality around these parts.
Hi, I'm Andrew Zirkle. I'm a senior here at JMU. I'm graduating this year, 2025, and I'm an engineering major. Yeah, so of course going to JMU, especially in engineering, you know, it's fun. The college experience is great here. In my major, sometimes it's a little stressful. So one nice thing about MAAP is kind of like in my own home shop, I can come here and work on stuff and kind of get away from it all in a sense. But that's one aspect that during college has definitely helped to bulk up the experience.